Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you? I hope you will be fine and enjoying at your home. Open your OPE book, page number 22. As you know that we are studying Unit 4, the English speaking countries. Here is Unit 4, Lesson 3, Geography quiz. So look at this picture. Do you know about this picture? You must know about this picture. What is this? This is Minar-e-Pakistan in Lahore, Pakistan. Okay? And do you know about these pictures? So let me tell you. This is Opera House building in Sydney, Australia. And this is West Palace of Westminster or UK's Parliament building in London, United Kingdom. So make a guess what we are going to study about. Yes, we are going to study about these three countries: United Kingdom, Pakistan, Australia. Dear students, you must listen about these three countries. Pakistan is our beloved country and Australia is very developed country of the world. You must listen about Australia in cricket. Australia has the best cricket team also. I love the team of Australia. And here is United Kingdom. Dear students, United Kingdom and England are the same. London is the famous city of United Kingdom. This building is about House of Lords in London. This building is in London. This is the beautiful historical building located near the Thames River in London. And this is the amazing architecture of Australia. This is the house of stage shows, dramas. In this opera house, there is the largest play area where people perform stage shows and dramas. Now come to the lesson exercise. In this exercise, we are given some questions and the answers. Now we have to choose the correct answer from these options. So number 1 is, which country has the largest area and which has the smallest? Circle the largest and underline the smallest. So first we have to circle the largest country. Which is the largest country from these three? The largest country is Australia and the smallest is United Kingdom. So dear students, encircle the Australia and underline the United Kingdom. And number 2 is, which country has the largest population number of people? What is population? Population is the number of people, that how many people are in that country. So, and which has the smallest? Circle the country which with the largest population, underline the country with the smallest population. Now from this country which has the largest population, has largest number of people. So, Pakistan has the largest number of people in the world. From these countries, Pakistan has the largest number of people and Australia has the smallest number of people. So, dear students, encircle the Pakistan and underline the Australia. Come to the number 3. In 1900, which country had the most languages? Dear students, इसमें हमें यह है कि 1900 में कौन से कंट्री में बहुत ही ज़्यादा लैंग्वेजेस बोली जाती थी? सो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बहुत ही ज़्यादा लैंग्वेजेस बोली जाती थी. वहाँ पे कुछ लोग ऐसे थे जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा लैंग्वेजेस बोलते थे. So dear students, still in Australia there are more languages than Pakistan and United Kingdom. Okay, now come to number 4. Which country had the highest mountain? Now circle the Pakistan because Pakistan has the world's second largest highest peak, K2. Pakistan has the Himalayan mountain range and Nanga Parbat that has Karakoram mountain range that has the world's highest peaks. Now come to number 5. Which country had the largest desert? Now this is Australia. So dear students, yes, Australia has the many largest deserts. Do you know what is desert? Desert is the sandy area, a wide sandy area where you can see the mounds of sand everywhere. Now come to number 6. Which country has the largest river? So circle the Pakistan. Pakistan has the longest river that flows from Tibet, from the Himalayan mountain range, and that goes through from India, Punjab, Sindh. It is very longest river. You must know about Sindhu Darya, Ganga Nadi. These are the same but in different areas. Now come to number 7. Which countries have dangerous animals, insects and snakes? Now, dear students, encircle A, Australia, B, Pakistan. Both Australia and Pakistan have dangerous animals, insects and also snakes. So in United Kingdom there is only one kind of dangerous snakes, but in Pakistan and Australia we can find so many animals. You must know about the famous animal of Australia, kangaroo. The famous animals of Pakistan are deers, wild goats, and there are so many you must know about. Okay, so come to number 8. In which country or countries would you find kangaroos? Dear students, look at these 4 animals: kangaroos, sharks, koala bears and deer. We can find kangaroo in Australia, encircle the Australia. We can find sharks in Australia, encircle the Australia. Also sharks are in Pakistan, so encircle Pakistan. And koala bears. Koala bears are in Australia, encircle the Australia. And deer is in Pakistan, so encircle Pakistan. Oh, here is United Kingdom. Deers are also in United Kingdom, encircle United Kingdom. And sharks are in United Kingdom, so encircle United Kingdom. So dear students, I hope you completed the exercise very correctly. Check it again. And we will move forward to the exercise number 2. Dear students, here are the exercise number 2. Listen to your teacher and write the missing information in the quiz below. I have completed exercise already. Now you have to listen to me very carefully. As I read, you have to fill the empty lines. Dear students, मैं पढ़ती जाऊंगी और आप अपने बुक में ये जो लाइंस दी गई हैं इनको फिल करते जाएंगे. As we have done in previous exercise, you have encircled the correct answers. You can see some pictures. Here is the koala bear and the snake and mountain areas and the tribal people. So let's start. A. You will find deer in Pakistan and UK. You will find kangaroos and koala bears in only in Australia. You will find sharks in all 3 countries. Here is the given information about these 3 countries. You have to write missing information in the empty line. I am reading again. You will find deer in Pakistan and UK. You will find kangaroos and koala bears only in Australia. Okay. You will find sharks all 3 countries. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, इसमें हमें बता रहा है कि कोला बियर्स एंड कैंगरूज सिर्फ ऑस्ट्रेलिया में होते हैं और जो डियर्स होते हैं वो यूनाइटेड किंगडम में भी होते हैं, पाकिस्तान में भी होते हैं, पर जो शार्क्स होती हैं वो इन तीनों कंट्रीज़ में होती हैं. यू हैव टू राइट ऑल 3. ओके. B. Australia and Pakistan both have dangerous animals, insects and snakes. The United Kingdom has no dangerous animals or insects and only one type of dangerous snake. इसमें कह रहा है कि पाकिस्तान में और ऑस्ट्रेलिया में दोनों में बहुत ही डेंजरस एनिमल्स होते हैं और जो इंसेक्ट्स हैं वो भी होते हैं, पर यूनाइटेड किंगडम में एक टाइप होता है डेंजरस स्नेक. ये जो स्नेक्स होते हैं वो बहुत ही बड़े होते हैं और इन्हें कोबरा स्नेक कहा जाता है. and cobras are very dangerous. And here is C. Pakistan has the largest population and Australia has the smallest population. Fill this line with Australia. Okay, and here is written only one type. Okay, only one type of dangerous snake. Okay, in C, Australia has the smallest, and D, Australia has the largest area. It is 10 times bigger than Pakistan and 30 times bigger than United Kingdom. How many times? 30 times. E, 2/3 of Australia is desert, that is equal to a desert 6 times the size of Pakistan. Oh, 2 से 3 हिस्से ऑस्ट्रेलिया कंट्री के डिज़र्ट में हैं, यानी वहाँ पे रेत का मैदान है जो इक्वल है कि उसमें पाकिस्तान के थर्ड डिज़र्ट के 6 आ जाएं। मतलब यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान का थर्ड डिज़र्ट के जैसे 6 आ जाएंगे, वहाँ पे सिर्फ एक डिज़र्ट होगा ऑस्ट्रेलिया का। ऑस्ट्रेलिया के डिज़र्ट एरियाज़ और जो रेत के मैदान हैं वो पाकिस्तान के थर से बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े हैं। And here is the F, the Indus, which flows through Pakistan, is the longest river. It is 2,500 kilometers long. And G, K2 in Pakistan is the highest mountain. It is 8,611 meters high. Dear students, it is the second largest peak of the world. And H, in 1900, the Aboriginal people of Australia spoke about 100 different languages. There were 8 main languages in Pakistan and only 3 in UK. Dear students, Aboriginal people means thousands years ago there were the people in Australia who wear just one cloth on their body and speak so many languages, and they paint their faces and bodies, and they lived in tribes. These were the native people of Australia. जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया में दूसरे लोग आए या ब्रिटिश रूल जो आया वहाँ पे, तो इनको वहाँ से निकाला गया और इन पे बहुत ही जुल्म किया गया और इनको छोटे छोटे कामों के लिए, घर के काम के लिए ही इनको रखते थे। इनकी औरतें वहाँ पे मेहनत करती थी, काम करती थी। लेकिन ये लोग जो हैं वो जंगलों में रहते थे, कबीलों में रहते थे। अब ऑस्ट्रेलिया में इनके जो 4 to 5% इनके लोग बचे हैं, अभी भी वो वहाँ पे हैं, और ऑस्ट्रेलिया में अभी भी बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस बोली जाती हैं। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, देयर वर 8 मेन लैंग्वेजेस इन पाकिस्तान। पाकिस्तान में 8 लैंग्वेजेस हैं और मेन लैंग्वेजेस 8 हैं, और भी बहुत ही कबीलाई बोली जाती हैं। रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस जिसको हम पाकिस्तान में कहते हैं वो पाकिस्तान में ज़्यादा हैं, बट यूनाइटेड किंगडम में, यूके में सिर्फ 3 लैंग्वेजेस बोली जाती हैं। Dear students, there is the information about the countries Australia, Pakistan and United Kingdom. Dear students, now it is your homework. Read the summary of Australia. Read this exercise very carefully. It is about Australia, but you have to make the summary about Pakistan. For example, Pakistan is 3.3 times bigger than the United Kingdom. Its population is larger than the population of United Kingdom, and much of the Pakistan is. Here is written much of the Australia is desert, but you have to write that Pakistan has the diverse range of areas. It has some high mountains. Okay, the people of Pakistan speak Urdu, English, Sindhi, Punjabi and more languages. You can find lots of dangerous animals, insects and snakes and sharks in Pakistan. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो लाइन है मच ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज़ डिज़र्ट, यहाँ पे आपको पाकिस्तान के बारे में लिखना है कि पाकिस्तान में कौन कौन से इलाके हैं, कि वहाँ पे पाकिस्तान में डिज़र्ट भी है, समंदर भी है और दरिया भी हैं, पहाड़ी इलाके भी हैं। तो आपको ये लिखना है, इंग्लिश में लिखना है। आप पढ़ें और अपने पाकिस्तान के बारे में कुछ खूबसूरत लाइंस लिखें और कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन लिखें। यू कैन टेक द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम दीज A, B. Okay, read this exercise very carefully. Put the information in this summary Now it is your homework to make summary about Pakistan, a little paragraph about Pakistan with these information in given the exercise. Do your homework very carefully. Allah Hafiz. Take care.